In the heart of Montenegro lies a place unlike anything on earth. Here, the rocks are sharp as scalpels, beneath your feet, karst fissures and caves over a kilometer deep. This is a video about the most dangerous, most brutal, most alien hike we've ever done in Montenegro. Before the trip, we contacted a local guide, but he declined our request, said he never takes anyone there before mid-June. But the weather in April was just too good. Dry, sunny, everything is in bloom. We figured, if the road's clear, that's a green light to go. As you follow the trail, you'll see what looks like a blank white sign. It's not blank, just sun-bleached. You're on the right path. From this point on, the road only gets rougher. Rocks, potholes, fresh signs of rockfalls. You'll start seeing trail markers along the way. Most people can't drive any further and begin the hike from here. It took us an hour and 20 minutes by jeep just to reach the base of Maganik.
We've just reached the start of the trail. The drive here was insanely tough, way harder than we expected. Don't even try coming without a jeep, you simply won't make it. We're starting to have doubts again about whether we'll reach the top, but we'll find out soon. Let's go!
The trail climbs steeply right from the start, covered in rocks that have fallen from the mountain above. Then it leads into the forest.
Over there.
And here you need to remember that
there are tons of trails here, and it's super easy to get lost.
Maganik is known for its unreachable peaks like Bear Peak and Babin Tooth. But today we're heading for Trešteni Vrh, a place unlike any other.
We decided to trust Maps.me. It's a navigation app that shows hiking paths. So we're following it now, along with the trail markers, of course. They say there are wolves and bears in this area, so you've got to make some noise. That's why it's a good idea to bring trekking poles.
Yeah, we were a little worried about running into wildlife just waking up from hibernation.
Look, wild boar tracks.
But honestly, that turned out to be the least of our problems.
Вот туда! Вау, как же это опасно!
And here we found snow, just like in Trešteni.
And Stefan, he was way too excited. Very soon we'd realize we should have listened to the guide.
Все страшнее и страшнее. А как спускаться? Опасненько. Как наш опыт хайкеров растет. Ой-ой, вот здесь очень шаткие камни. Вот здесь. Мамочки, как же здесь стрёмно.
We'd never seen a trail like this before. No clear path, just sharp rocks underfoot and scattered waymarks to guide you. It's a constant switch between climbs and descents,
Ой, аж голова кружится.
with fallen trees blocking the way.
Вау! Охренеть! Какая мощь!
Over there, that's probably the Trešteni. And over there, those are the Komovi Mountains. Stunning, right? But don't worry, we'll get there too.
И чё, куда дальше-то? Не надо прыгать. Поверь мне, еще как надо. Я знаков не... А, вон что-то на камне вроде, ща. Ну я опять потерялся. А, вон. Ни одного устойчивого камня здесь нет. Острый какой, зараза. Вау. Обалдеть, ребята. Что-то тяжело стало. Не, ну слушай, если вы мне скажете реально, что надо туда, да ну его нахер как бы. Да в смысле? Ты хочешь, как мы туда доберемся?
Стефан, ты правильно идешь?
Да, вон знак. Чего? Нам показывает вниз, ребят. Я не знаю. Пойдем? Когда я не уверен.
Ю-ху!
Ёлки-палки, ребята. Как же это опасно, пипец. Любой камень. И до видения, Стефан. Пипец, как стрёмно. Что-то так узенько везде.
This hike is definitely not for anyone afraid of heights. At one point, the trail runs right along a cliff edge. Our advice: don't look down.
Яй-яй! Я прыгну лучше. What the fuck? Я вижу тропу. Вот, стрелочка. Ого, смотри, как здесь. Страшно! Даже негде ухватиться. Вау. Вот и встряли, ребят.
We go this way, like I said, then along the ridge up there. Well, not much left now.
We faced a choice: turn back and come again in mid-June, or keep going no matter what. I think you can guess what we chose.
Здесь очень мягко. Все-таки рановато в апреле сюда идти. Мы справимся! Блин, ё-моё! Что делать-то? Там еще снег и снег. Так, ладно. Я это сделал. Воу! Как же мы возвращаться?
But what can I say? What do you want me to say? Nothing really comes to mind. Except, where's the signs?
Куда нам надо-то? Это они?
Long story short, we got seriously lost here.
Ну, конечно, ты здесь вырастешь! Радовали снежку. Снежок! Блин. Ого, куда показывает, нифига себе. Вон там наверх.
Finally, we made it to the other side.
But now we'll have to climb up right here.
Острющие камни.
We came across a really beautiful rock. You can actually see the inner corrosion where it's broken off.
Обрыв!
Надо прыгать. Right beneath the rock was a void, and you know what they say: stare into the abyss long enough and it starts staring back. So keep your eyes forward.
Народ всегда безопасен.
По центру и нужно, Лик. В ту сторону обрыва.
Высоко падать!
Не надо падать.
Долина! вот так нам, да? И налево. Ой, направо. Ускорим шаг. Самая легкая часть маршрута, по-моему.
Right in front of us is Mount Babin Zub. On September 11th, 1973, a tragedy occurred here. A plane belonging to the airline JAT flying from Skopje to Titograd crashed into the top of the cliff and went down. The visibility was extremely poor due to heavy fog, and communication with air traffic control had been lost. Sadly, 41 people lost their lives. At the last moment, the captain saw the mountain and tried to lift the plane's nose, but the tail still struck the peak. Locals from the nearest village kept fires burning around the crash site for days to prevent wild animals from disturbing the bodies of the victims.
Because of the snow, we couldn't see the plane wreckage, but we found the hikers who managed to capture it. Locals still honor the victims, making annual climbs to the crash site. At the summit, a memorial plaque serves as a reminder of just how thin the line is between life and death in these mountains.
Не вижу знаков просто. Если нам налево... Чуть-чуть, по идее, по снегу. Ну просто вот здесь поворот туда и все. Максимально стрёмно здесь наступить не туда. По центру самое безопасное. Тут больше всего снега. Просто на моих шагах. И аккуратно. Потому что вот круга как будто бы между ними, что ли? Так, Лёх. Мы здесь, мы наверху. Ну вот так, да. Интересная порода, да? Эти перешагивания меня пугают.
This is where you'll find Željeznaya Yama, the deepest cave in Montenegro, plunging to 1,162 meters down. Its 429-meter vertical drop makes it one of the most spectacular caves in the world.
Красота!
Maganik isn't just a mountain range, it's a place where nature puts you to the test, and history reminds you of the cost of mistakes. All that was left for us was the way down.
Просто... Все ноги мокрые. Ноги ватные.
Can you feel it?
Yeah.
We've connected with nature. We're like one whole now. I can't feel my legs. My arms are halfway gone. And here we are, together with nature. Friends, we made it to the end. We're completely soaked. Coming here in April is a big no. There's still snow on the peaks, so we were practically knee-deep in water. We arrived around 10:30 a.m. and now it's 7:30 p.m., so the whole route took us 9 hours. Brutal. If you're thinking about doing this trail, we highly recommend hiring a guide. It's extremely difficult, and if you're afraid of heights like I am, it'll be even harder. It's just cliff after cliff, no handrails, no safety points. Forget about it. Really tough. But the views, the mountains are absolutely incredible, like something from another planet. Still, I don't think most tourists would want to spend their vacation day here. Beginners don't even try. If you've got some hiking experience and proper boots, maybe. And for the truly bold, I'm leaving the stick here for you. Good luck out there.